Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Jimmy Cliff to be posthumously honored with a statue in his home parish of St. James. The resolution was made at the recent monthly meeting of the St. James Municipal Corporation to honor the late reggae stalwart for his global contribution to the arts.
Be it resolved that this Honorable Council collaborate with the Honorable Minister of Sport, Entertainment and Gender to commission and erect a statue at a suitable location at the entrance to Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. Be it further resolved that this council, in collaboration with the family of Jimmy Cliff, establish a museum in his honor at an appropriate place in the parish of St. James. Be it further resolved that resolution be sent to the Honorable Minister of Sports, Entertainment and Gender and municipal corporations for action and support.
Now, during the 80s, Jimmy Cliff collaborated with the Rolling Stones on their Dirty Work album, then returned to the US charts in 1993 with his cover of I Can See Clearly Now from the soundtrack to Cool Runnings, which followed the escapades of Jamaica's bobsleigh team. Now, his other recordings included the Grammy Award-winning albums Cliffhanger in 1985 and Rebirth in 2012, the latter marking a nostalgic return to form. Cliff entered the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in 2010, calling it a great thrill and an honor. Inducting him, Fuji star Wyclef Jean said he has been inspired by Cliff's success as a young boy growing up in Haiti. Now, in October of 2023, the government of Jamaica recognized his contribution to Jamaican music and culture, awarding him the Order of Merit. From the track to the fashion frontline, Sprint Queen Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce supports fellow Jamaican at New York Fashion Week.
The Jamaican girl, them yam it up, period.
The expression shared by Fraser-Pryce after throwing her support behind Jamaican-born fashion designer Rachel Scott at the Diatima Fall 2026 ready-to-wear show held recently in New York City. The Sprint Queen made it clear that she was not only there to show her support for Scott, founder of the brand Diatima, but also to rep the 876, flag in hand and all.
I love. As soon as the show starts, flag coming out.
Speaking with Vanity Fair magazine, Fraser-Pryce, who lauded Scott for her achievements, said that witnessing Rachel shaping the future of fashion on a global stage feels both personal and powerful. She continued by saying that when one Jamaican woman rises, it expands what the world believes Jamaican women can be. Jamaica may be small, but its influence is vast. And this collection is a reminder that excellence rooted in culture can travel anywhere. That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.